To allow a domain or block a domain, you need to log in to your admin portal. Go to admin, click on show all, go to security, then scroll down, click on policies and rules, click on thread policies, click on anti-spam, click on anti-spam inbound policy, scroll down, you will find the option to allow senders, allow domain, block senders and block domains. So click on edit allowed and blocked domains. So this here, you can block the domain or you can block the senders, as well as you can allow the domain and you can allow the senders. Let's say as example, I want to block a domain. Just click on add domain. I click on yahoo.com. Just click on that. Click on add domains. Done and save. And close it. This way, if you want to unblock the domain, just go on there, click on block domains, select the domain and then delete it. Click on done and save and close. So this way you can allow or block any domain in Microsoft Office 365.